This end of the year sell-off is providing us with some great opportunities that we will want to take advantage of. So in this video, I'm going to be telling you about two stocks that I believe will explode in 2021. You definitely don't want to sleep on these, so stick around because we're going to be starting right now. Hey, what's going on? It's Pat from Top Ticker Trades. If you're new here and you want to learn how to use stocks and options to make your portfolio go parabolic, make sure you start now by subscribing and tapping that bell so you never miss an upload. What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to yet another video. I think you're going to love the two stocks that I got picked out for you today, but just in case you don't, I'm sure that your portfolio will. I want to get right into it, ladies and gentlemen, but before I do, I would like to ask you to please consider giving this video an early thumbs up, as it greatly, and I can't stress that enough, helps to support this channel. I put a lot of time and effort into each video so that we could all make money from the market together. And if you're not part of the family yet, I want you to join my family. We're growing fast, both as a community and financially by the day. All you have to do is hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to tap that bell so you have access to videos as soon as they come out. Without any further ado, the first company I'm going to talk about is Cleanspark, and here's why. Cleanspark is going to benefit from any type of crypto rally that we see. Specifically, I'm expecting Cleanspark to trade in tandem with Bitcoin. For anyone that doesn't know what Cleanspark is and what they do, they are a microgrid company that recently acquired a Bitcoin mining facility in Atlanta. The acquisition of this facility was a game changer for the company, and that's just my opinion, but in a second you'll see why. Because I'm going to give you a quick example of the type of impact that this really had on the company. And this was a shocker for me when I first heard about it, I've got to say that, but Cleanspark was able to mine 10 Bitcoins in the first week following the acquisition. So at the time, this was equivalent to about $200,000, but Bitcoin has been on a tear lately and getting close to hitting around $30,000 per Bitcoin. So what does that mean? It means that they've gained $100,000 in revenue in literally a couple of weeks just by holding this Bitcoin. Cleanspark was able to accomplish this by running their 3,400 mining units, operating on a daily basis at their Atlanta site. Now, another exciting piece of news is that Cleanspark decided to purchase 500 more of these units, which will be operating alongside the original 3,400 units for a total of nearly 4,000 units that will run all day and mine Bitcoin. Pretty good idea, isn't it? But anyhow, Cleanspark isn't your average everyday mining company. If you'll recall to earlier in this video, I told you guys that they were a microgrid company. So that means that they can significantly reduce their mining costs by using their own microgrids. Now, this next company that we're going to discuss, ladies and gentlemen, is an absolute beast, or at the very least, it's primed to be. And you can expect some very serious growth out of this company in the future. Mark my words right now. So the company that we're talking about is Magnite, ticker symbol MGNI. Magnite is headquartered in Los Angeles, California, and the company is just a little over 13 years old. So what exactly is Magnite? Magnite is an online advertising company, but more specifically, Magnite provides a tech solution to automate the purchase and sales of digital ad inventory for both buyers and sellers. It features apps and services for digital ad sellers, and these services include websites, mobile apps, and other digital media properties. MGNI or Magnite has been overlooked for quite a bit of time in the past. Some of that has to do with the coming implementation of various privacy initiatives and their effect on the digital advertising ecosystem. Another reason is that the EBITDA was briefly negative in Q2 due to the post-merger consolidated financials and a short but steep drop in digital ad spending. So as the combination of these things makes this company seem unattractive to some investors, there is something that's game-changing for this company, and that's what we're about to talk about now. MGNI's merger with Teleria positions MGNI as a leader in the connected TV market. Now, this is the fastest growing segment of digital ad space, and as management integrates a company with well-regarded functionalities and an industry-leading customer list, The outcome is the birth of a new company that becomes the leading supply-side platform and the only player of any real scale in each of the CTV, audio, mobile, and desktop formats. And as supply path optimization continues to weed out the unfortunate companies, the survivors will be the ones that adapt to the inevitable trend. It's those companies that were able to embrace these changes that become the clear winners. So with that being said, publishers will continue to consolidate their relationships with advertising partners down to just a handful of platforms, which is where Magnite's offering as a true independent and objective omni-channel player positions the company as one of the few likely winners. In fact, Disney and Hulu have both stated on more than one occasion that they use Magnite for this exact reason. What makes this company even more attractive is that they're in an industry that's likely to grow at low double-digit growth rates or even better. So, while the company may still be a little under the radar, and that of course is due to the fact that their trailing 12-month financials appear to be just a little bit unattractive, I would say that this company is still definitely a buy. At least it is in my book. They are certainly set to generate impressive growth revenues and cash flows moving forward, which makes this an attractive investment in anyone's portfolio. While I have you here, I wanted to quickly tell you about the brand new First Trade app, available for mobile or PC. The platform will give you access to powerful and easy to use tools and allows you to trade with less restrictions, zero commissions, zero fees, and you can use the first link in the description below to download a free stock today without having to deposit any money. This will greatly help out the channel and is always appreciated. And now back to your regularly scheduled programming. Congrats, ladies and gentlemen, you've made it to the end of the video. If you like what you watched, make sure you subscribe because I put out videos just like this one every single day. And please do me a favor and smash that like button if I helped you in any way, because it really goes a long way in helping the channel out and keeps me motivated to make videos every single day. Now, there's a lot of work involved, a lot of research, and a lot of time and effort into editing and putting these out daily for you guys. You can subscribe from your screen right now, or if you want to watch one of my other videos, I'm sure YouTube has some good content picked out for you on the left-hand side of your screen now. Thanks for sticking it out with me till the end, and I will see you guys in the next video.